How to turn off lens correction on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to find the camera option and tap on it. On the camera settings page, scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the lens correction option. Lens correction is a feature that automatically corrects distortion on photos taken with the front and ultra-wide cameras. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature off. Now, this feature won't be able to automatically correct lens distortion on the front and ultra-wide cameras. Following these steps, you can easily turn off lens correction on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.